When joy has a reason, it is not going to last long. When joy is without any reason, it is going to be there forever. Happy people focus on what they have. Unhappy people focus on what is missing. Your mind is a magnet. You think of problems, you attract problems. But if you think of blessings, you attract blessings. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routines. Forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. When you can't control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what's happening. That's where your power is. Those who are right don't argue. Those who argue are not right. Relationships never die a natural death. They are murdered by ego, attitude, and ignorance. The true hero is one who conquers his own anger and hatred. Accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. I wrestled with anger from the age of 16. It is still one of my enemies. I have to remember that the word of God says, "Be slow to anger." To be interesting, be interested. Every artist was first an amateur. Work is doing it, discipline is doing it every day, diligence is doing it well every day. If you have more than 5 goals, you have none. The invariable mark of wisdom is to see the miracles in the common. Lies are the greatest murderer, they kill the truth. How people treat you is their karma, how you react is yours. Maybe the hardest part of life is just having the courage to try. Only when we lose hope in great possibilities are we really doomed. Reversals and tough times inspire some people to work harder for what they believe in.